Hey guys, Brennan here with Brennan's Tech Bite. iOS 7 Gold Master was released to developers a few days ago, and this version will be released to the general public on September 18th around 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's the normal time Apple releases their software. The cool thing about this Gold Master release is you don't have to be a developer to get it onto your iOS device. If you can find a download link somewhere, you can put it onto your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. So there was a few new features in this Gold Master version, and I'll show it to you right now. Let's first look at some wallpapers. Apple added a bunch of new wallpapers. First, we can go to dynamic wallpapers, and they added some more colors, probably to match the iPhone 5C. And then they also added more still wallpapers. They added some gorgeous scenic wallpapers. This one right here is my favorite. This one right here is also pretty cool. And then there's some more wallpapers down here. Now let's go to the ringtones and the alert sounds. Apple added some new ringtones and alert sounds. So they still have all your classic ringtones, but if you want to look at some new ones, they have a whole list. Let me quickly go through them and you guys can see what you like. Also, Apple added new alert tones that you can use for text messages, voice messages, and many other things. So let me just play through them real quick. You can also tell me in the comments below which ones you like best. And again, they still have all your classic alert tones if you don't like any of those. Thank you guys for watching. Check out a recap of Apple's keynote right here, and I'll see you all next time. Take care.